Is up everyone, it is a new day down here today. It's lovely and sunny out today, but yeah, a big order came from my brother for a mini he's doing. Loads of boxes as you see. Unreal. So I'm going to get them out of the car and into the garage, and then I have a mate coming down that needs a service done on his car before the NCT. So I'm going to help him out with that as well. But let's get them in the garage. Now that's them boxes in. I'm just going to move everything from the front door, get it out of the way so I can bring his car in. We're just doing spark plugs, oil filter and the oil, and I'll check out his fuel filter. He couldn't get one, so I'll take it out, see if there's anything in it, give it a clean over. So yeah, I'm just going to move all this stuff from the front door now. So now I have that space to work in, nice and clear for the car to come in. Let's check out this EG6. So she's a full engine bay. He has his new radiator in with his new pipes, a new fan all wired up. Looks very, very good. New earths, clutch line, that needs to be tightened up a bit. That's all. His ABS all hooked up, all his loom put together. Yeah, everything is there. Brand new battery. Should get new terminals for them. Obviously he'll see it in this video, so get new terminals. Everything else is hooked up. The power steering is hooked up, but it doesn't have a belt on it, as you can see. Manifold is hooked up. Accelerator cable. Bracket looks good. So yeah. Also, he got new bumpers. The previous bumpers that were on the car, they were rough. So he decided just to go with new front and back. There's the rear one up there. So yeah, they are spurious, but they were 100 quid for the both of them, which is a bargain. It's unreal that you can even still get them that cheap. But the fitment, if you can see, it's so good for such crappy bumpers. They say they are. Now he hasn't got this side on, but it will fit up nicely, and the gaps are perfect. So yeah, looking good, very, very good. So she runs. It's a bit loud because the manifold is on, but it's not even. As you can see, it's not tight. He got a few bits done with the interior. He has his black carpet in. Everything is nice and clean except for this dash. It's manky. We need to clean that when it's all put together. But yeah, carpet's in. So the interior is set to go. He does have the rear plastics in, which they look so good. They look amazing. Nice and clean. You're welcome. But yeah, loads done. Oh yeah, windows are in. They go up and down. Rear windows are sealed in properly. So yeah, it's getting there. It's so close to being finished. These wings, seriously, handmade, custom touch. He's gonna put some mesh in behind. As you can see, there's a little bracket there. For one, a bit of the mesh, he needs to put the other bracket in there just to get it finished up. So yeah. How sweet does it look? Looks really good. So good. It looks so good. A Civic. You're next. So I did bring something down for this, as I was going to use it in the Integra. So it's not getting done in the Integra, as the Integra's gone. The ITG. I'm just going to throw it in the bag and see what it looks like. Do I give it to him? Do I not? Put it in the comments, everyone, to see if I give him this ITG or I don't. Does he deserve it? After doing such a good job on this Civic? Does he deserve it? Now don't mind that. There's bolts on the bottom of it, so they come out. It will sit flush down, and I do have another pipe that will fit that inlet. So do I give it to him? Do I not? Stick it in the comments, everyone. So guys, I wasn't down here yesterday, and me mate Al decided to do a little clip for me, so I'm going to add it in here. So introducing Reaper, the owner of the True Rot box. Here he is now.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm cleaning up Aaron's garage and Jamie's garage, because they're two dirt bags, and they're right there, the crown jewel of this place. Look at that. Look at that, huh? Boom. So today we're going to do a few bits and bobs, which mainly will consist of me cleaning and putting bits and bobs of that together. So we have the carpets in, we have the rear inner plastic bits in. Looking at the rest of it kind of makes me want to cry, I'm not going to lie to you. And then we have the little mini there. Not doing that with that, because that's a rust bucket. Rust bucket. Not even worth looking at, to be honest with you. We should look. So yeah, we'll crack on. She lives.
So guys, it runs. It's an exciting time for my brother. He's put a lot of work into this car, as you can see over the last few videos. If you haven't watched it, head back, check this video out there. The car has gone through a huge transformation from when he got it till now. The whole engine was rebuilt, the whole car was rebuilt. It's had everything is new on the car, and he's really thinking about selling it. So if you're interested and you want a mint Carnival Yellow EG6 SIR, this is the one for you. It will be finished soon. But guys, I'm gonna do this service, quick time lapse. We'll end the video for this week's video after we do the service. I'm off next week, so we're gonna come down and we're gonna fully do the Mini. I'm hoping to pick up my paint on Wednesday, and hopefully she'll be in primer by the weekend, and then the week after I'll be on 3 weeks holidays. So we're gonna get a lot done. I'm hoping my engine comes for the K20, all my bits and bobs for the K20, and we'll do a run through of what I got and unboxing of everything. So yeah guys, enjoy watching me do a service. I hate doing them, I hate getting dirty, so yeah, anyhow, enjoy. Right guys, so that service just done. So I'm gonna head home, back to work tomorrow, back to reality. So give this video a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whichever one you like. So comment on the video if my brother deserves that ITG box, because I got it cheap and I don't mind giving it to my brother, because yeah, he does enough for me. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice long one this time. So yeah, see you in the next one. Peace!